In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage your website using both manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com. Let's dive right in and start with the basics of accessing your Wix account. First, you'll want to head over to wix.com and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, it's a straightforward process to set one up. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your dashboard. This is your control center where you can manage all your sites and access various tools and features. On this page, look for the option to edit your site, which will take you to the Wix editor where all the magic happens. Now that you're in the Wix editor, it's time to create a new page for maintenance. Go ahead and click on the Add Page button, often symbolized by a plus sign. Name this new page something like maintenance or coming soon. This page is where you'll communicate important messages to your visitors. For optimal results, let's add a message like, "We're improving our site, check back soon," to alert users about what's happening. Incorporate your logo or branding for a professional look. If you want to capture leads during this downtime, consider including a contact form or a newsletter sign up. Additionally, adding social media links can keep your audience connected to you in other ways. Once your maintenance page is set up, you'll want to make it the main focus for visitors by setting it as your home page. To do this, navigate to menus and pages from the left-hand menu. Find your new maintenance page, hover over it, and click the three dots to reveal more options. Select Set as Homepage. This ensures that anyone visiting your site will only see this maintenance page. While you're at it, it's important to hide other pages from your visitors to avoid any confusion or access issues. In the same menus and pages section, hover over each of your other pages, click the eye icon, and choose Hide from Menu. For added security during your updates, go to each page's settings, select Permissions, and set them to either Password Protected or Members Only. This way, only you or selected individuals can access them while you're working on updates. After you've set things up, it's time to go live with your maintenance page. Simply click Publish and your changes will be active for all visitors to see. They will continue to see this page until you decide to switch back to your live site. When you're ready to go live again, navigate back to menus and pages, choose your actual homepage, and click Set as Homepage. Unhide or restore any pages you had previously hidden, and then